So very good morning all of you. My name is Priyanshu Raj and I am the chief selector of the BCCI for upcoming Border Gavaskar Trophy.
Good morning, everyone. My name is Vikram. I am also selector of the BCCI.
Hello everyone, my name is Vinay Singh and I am the part of the discussion.
And what we are doing?
We are going to choose, select a team for Border Gavaskar Trophy.
All right.
So first of all, very good morning all the gentlemen. So we had to hear
I am Vikram.
I am Priyanshu Raj. So we all here. So as we see our last test series and what the miserable loss we have. So we have to select our upcoming Border Gavaskar test series very carefully. So I need your precious advice on this so that we can have a strong squad and we can win there.
And also qualify for World Test Championship.
And also qualify for World Test Championship.
Do you have some suggestion for, do you have chosen any player?
I have some player in my mind, but first of all I want your advice that what you all are
I think
thinking.
you both decide the player, then I will be deciding after.
Oh, okay. First of all, we think about that the test series is going on Australia. The conditions are very difficult there. The stadiums are very big, grounds are very large. So we think according to them. We have to select the player according to that conditions. So what is your advice regarding all this?
I think that we have to choose as a opener because in few matches Rohit is not there. So we can choose Jaiswal and Abhimanyu Shwaran there.
Yes, I also heard about that man Abhimanyu. He is a young man with much more talent. He performed very well in Ranji also. So we should give also chance to them. And I agree with you that we should go with Yashasvi Jaiswal and Abhimanyu for the opening.
And
But what about backup of any opening backup?
And there is Rohit Sharma will there, but in first match he is not joining us. So there is Abhimanyu Smaran for the first
Okay.
match. And after that we can choose at 3 Virat Kohli.
Virat Kohli. Are you? I think the recent performance of Virat Kohli in last test series not much well. I think we should give in some rest to them because after that we also have a very big tournament like Champions Trophy next year. And he's not.
You are saying all the thing right, but in Australia there is a good record of Virat Kohli, and the attitude of Virat Kohli, the bullying attitude of Virat Kohli is good. It will work for against Australia, and if there will not no Virat Kohli, it will be difficult for Indian team. So we need Virat Kohli there.
But we can't ignore Cheteshwar Pujara and Ajinkya Rahane because these two are the pillar of Indian Test team.
Then they will. I have also in my mind. I have also there in 4th or 5th position, but at 3, no one is better than Virat Kohli in this time.
Okay, I agree. And I also looking as a Rishabh Pant has a main wicket keeper and Dhruv Jurel has a backup wicket keeper because he is also a young man performing well.
Very well in India A versus Australia.
India, yes.
But I am thinking that in reserve, apart from Dhruv Jurel, we can choose Sanju Samson there.
But Sanju Samson is more towards a T20 or ODI player. I think he did not fit for
If we will
test.
not give him chance, then how can he prove?
Then I think we should give him chance in another series that in home. First of all, we have to test in our home series, not abroad series, because we have we are at very crucial stage. We have to win this series for the qualification of W Test
No,
Championship.
he has very good potential. He can play well in Australia.
What do you think regarding Sanju Samson?
I think Sanju Samson is a perfect set because last year he was proving one match.
But
he
in
got
T20 he has a very good record.
So I think, sir. I think
No,
one chance.
Yes, I agree with you too. But I think we should give him a chance in home series, not abroad series, because it is not a perfect scenario to give him a chance in such a pressure condition and abroad condition.
I think one match give to the chance to Sanju Samson.
Okay. Then I agree with both
and
of
my-
you.
and
Then
my-
we should also select Sanju Samson as a backup wicket keeper batsman in a squad.
And,
After that, we
Mike-
have to move towards all-rounder also.
No. There is a batsman. We have to select all the team. Then we can't forget Sarfraz Khan. We need to choose in our 15 Sarfraz Khan there.
So, are you final that we are going to drop Suman Gill?
Yes.
So we are going to drop Suman Gill. So
Now-
let's move towards all-rounder
The
and
spinner.
yes, I think Jadeja must be there.
Hardik Pandya.
No,
Hardik
we don't
Pandya,
need
we-
Hardik Pandya.
yes.
We can choose Jadeja there.
Jadeja and Ashwin. These twin jodi are perfect for these.
But we can only give chance to one.
In playing 11 there will be only one.
There will be only one.
According to the condition there, either Jadeja or Ashwin. Or what do you think about Washington Sundar? Because he also performed well in New Zealand series.
Washington Sundar is a good player.
I think,
But in Australia, I
I
sure.
think
But we should
will
give
worry about
chance.
the player. I think we will worry about the player.
yes, I think we should give him chance or take him in a squad according to the series we
But we
will.
need a perfect spinner there.
I think Washington today also perfect spinner. He
He's
had
all-
proven in the New Zealand series by taking a 5-wicket haul in too many matches. And now I think we should go for 4 pace bowler, fast bowler. With no doubt, I am going with Jasprit Bumrah because he is also our vice captain.
Yes.
And in absence of Rohit Sharma, he is also our captain. So Jasprit Bumrah. And my second, Mohammad Sami. I want to revive him back. Mohammad Sami.
Okay.
Injured.
Mohammad Shami is injured. He is not selected.
He is not.
So Mohammad Sami is injured.
Siraj.
Mohammad, then we have only left option Mohammad Siraj. So what do you think?
We can go
Siraj.
with Siraj and Arshdeep as well.
Arshdeep, yes.
Arshdeep, young man.
Arshdeep.
Yes.
अब एक तो सीमर चाहिए ना सर.
Young man और
चलेगा अब
Arshdeep.
कहाँ मेरे मायने बॉलर ही नहीं आ रहा है.
We need other.
or we should come back with Bhuvneshwar Kumar because he is a swing king. I think we have to revive him back. His experience also help us in Australia series. What do you think?
No,
Because
we can't
Mohammad
choose-
Sami is injured, we only have Bumrah and Siraj.
We can choose Akashdeep there.
Akashdeep, young man, have potential, but I think lack of experience.
Performed in the T series.
He performed in the test series.
So, are you sure about it? Because
Yes, I'm sure. And we can choose Mukesh Kumar there.
Mukesh Kumar, another young man. I think there is
He
a
had
less
performed,
experience in pace
No, he
attack.
had performed. He had played test cricket. He had performed
Because
well.
we have to also go with experience because the condition in Australia are different. Playing in home condition and playing in abroad are totally different. We can't ignore the experienced player also.
But we can. We need to give a chance to youngster. After that, they will play
I think
for the
we
India
should take Mukesh Kumar in a squad.
in a squad.
But in playing 11, I think we have to get alternate. First time we give chance to Arshdeep. If Arshdeep perform well, we will continue there. If by chance any problem, then we replace it with Mukesh Kumar.
Mukesh Kumar. Okay.
So, let finalize our playing 11. Yashasvi Jaiswal, Abhimanyu, Virat Kohli, Cheteshwar Pujara, Ajinkya Rahane, Rishabh Pant, Washington Sundar, Ravichandra Ashwin, Bumrah, Siraj, Arshdeep, Akashdeep. So these are our final playing 11. So that's all for today. Thank you.